Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start the video. Friends, for the past 5 years we are giving the solutions regarding NPTEL various courses. So last time also we have given Python for data science uh, course solutions. So guys, we have come up with a new announcement regarding the PDF version. That means exam preparation MCQs guys, regarding Python for data science subjects. So we have collected nearly past 4 years of PDF versions guys, regarding previous year assignment questions. So this PDF version with Google Drive link access, so you can get for just 500 rupees only guys. So why we are calling just means you cannot get available questions in the internet guys. So we have to collect this. So it's very difficult task to gather the 240 MCQs guys. That means for the past 4 years. So you'll get nearly 240 MCQs for just 500 rupees only guys. And you can see the benefits of the PDF. So you'll get 240 previous year MCQs which covers many topics completely related to NPTEL guys, no extra syllabus, and you can get the access for this PDF till the exam day guys, not 1 week or not 1 month, till the final day of the exam also you can get this access guys. And 500 rupee is not for one person guys, so you have to buy this in group. Suppose if you are in if you are doing this as your semester subject, then definitely many class members are doing that, right? So for this 500 rupees only, you 5 people can get access guys, up to 5 members. So you should share your mails to me so that I can add you all your 5 mails to this PDF version which contains 240 MCQs. So for 5 members it is 500 guys. That means for each person it will take just 100 rupees only, no extra charge, but you have to buy that for 5 members only guys. And the other one is, because there is a search option, it is easy to search the questions, so you can go to whichever question you want and you can get the solution. And also it is easy to revise before the exam guys. So hope you got the overall idea about this. So we will provide 240 previous year assignment MCQs guys. You cannot get outside that, only the people who have done that only have these MCQs guys. So you will get Google Drive link access after that. So you can contact me with this email guys. So you can mail me at bk179417@gmail.com. So if you have any doubts regarding this, please ask me in the comment section guys. But if you want to only buy, then only please message me here guys. So for the past 5 years we are giving the solutions, so with that confidence you can take this pack guys. So now let's see the solutions regarding week 1. So this is week 1 assignment of Python for data science course. Now let's see the first question. What is the output of the following code? So if you see here, print A into B, that means here B is a string guys, because it is enclosed within double quotations. So this 12 is a string and it is multiplied by 3. Suppose here 12, that means 12, here it is not 12 guys, it is a string. 1 2 is a string, so how many times it is multiplied? Into 3. That means 1 2 1 2 1 2. It should be displayed like this. So that is option, second option guys. So mark second option as correct answer guys. Try to buy the PDF as early as possible, because you can get lot of time if you buy now and you can prepare that. So if you wait till the last day, it will be a heavy pressure on you. So try to buy as early as possible guys. Now let's see the second question guys. I hope every solution is 100% correct, but if you think there should be any suggestions to be made to change the answer, please give your suggestion in the comment section guys. Now let's move on to the second question. So second one, what is the output of the following code? So for second question, when I did this in my compiler, so the answer I have got is second option, -2. So mark second option as correct answer for second question. Now let's move on to the third one guys. Third question, I will zoom this once again for you. So for second question, second option is correct. Guys, please watch the full video, because if you skip the video, you may miss some changes if I do any changes for the questions solutions. So do watch full video, and make sure guys you share this video with your friends and within your WhatsApp status or WhatsApp college groups, so that everyone can be able to note these assignment solutions. So you may have to deal with other subjects also, so you may not find time to do these solutions. So we are providing that for free guys. So if you only, we are charging for the PDF, not for these assignments guys. So you can watch this for free, and you can buy that PDF for the less price guys, because for 5 members it is 500. So if you share 100 each, then you can easily get that PDF, right? So think that guys, think just about the individual amount you are contributing. For just 100 rupees per individual person you are getting. So but you have to buy that for 5 members group guys, or if you have, you can bear that 500 for one person also, you can do that, no problem guys. So third question, consider a following code snippet. What is the data type of y? So for third question, the correct answer is second option, float. Now let's move on to the fourth question. Which of the following variable names are invalid in Python? So for fourth question, there are two probable solutions guys. The first one is option A, first option, the number should not be in front, but they have given, so it is invalid for a variable name. And the other one is last option guys, because they have given a special character hashtag. There should be permission for only one special character, that is underscore, but they have given hash, so it is also not invalid. That means first option and last option are the correct answers for fourth question. That means invalid variable names in Python, these are. Next, moving on to the fifth question. While naming the variable, use of any special character other than underscore will throw which type of error? So I have got syntax error. Next, moving on to the sixth one guys. Sixth question. Let x equals Mayur means it's a string guys. So they have enclosed within double quotations, right? Double quotes. So let x is a string. Which of the following commands converts the string x to float data type? So for sixth question, the probable answer could be third option guys, float of x. So if you feel there should be any change in the solutions, any of these questions, in any of these questions, you can please ask me in the comment section guys. Please give your answer also, but I hope every solution is 100% correct almost. Next, moving on to the seventh one. Which Python library is commonly used for data wrangling and manipulation? So for seventh question, the correct answer is pandas. Second option. That is second option guys. Now let's move on to the eighth question. Predict the output of the following code. So they have given three variables. They have initialized with 10, 5 and 3 respectively, and they have given a arithmetic expression. They are asking to print that final result. So I got the answer as 12. So that is once again second option guys. Next one, ninth question guys. Ninth one, given two variables 6 and 3.3, their values respectively. If both normal division and floor division operators were used to divide j by y, what would be the data type? So I have got both as float guys. That means second option. When divided normally or performed float division, I have got as float values. Now let's move on to the final question of the assignment. So before getting the solution for this, I am once again going to remind you guys. So you will get nearly 240 MCQs guys. So no one in this YouTube is providing, only our channel is doing that. So with 5 years of experience, we have collected these and complete completely NPTEL based syllabus, no outside syllabus is involved, purely based and concentrated on NPTEL syllabus. So 240 MCQs guys for just 500 only. That also you can get up to 5 members access, not for one person guys. For 5 members you can get for completely for 500 only. For each person it will take average of 100 rupees only. So don't hesitate guys, buy as much early as possible to get more time to prepare. So you can get access till the exam day guys, not just 1 week or 1 month. You can get the access till the final day of your exam. So no need to worry, you will get ample amount of time. So and it is also easy to search the questions because you have search option in the PDF. You can search the specific keyword for which question you have to travel, and also it is easy to revise before going to the exam also guys, because you can easily scroll that, right? So you'll get the Google Drive link access. So you have to send me, you can mail me at bk179417@gmail.com guys. So you can mail me here to buy the PDF. I will send my UPI ID later, so that you can pay and confirm me, so that you can get added to the access. If you have any doubts regarding the membership, please ask me in the comment section guys. Only if you want to buy this pack, then message me to this email. So now let's see the solution, final solution guys. So final one, let a is equals 5, that means in binary form you can represent 1 0 1, and also similarly b is equals 3. What is the result of the following operation? So they performed AND operation, right? For the 10th question, the answer I have got is 4th option 1. So friends, these are the solutions for week 1 assignment of Python for data science course. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this with your within your WhatsApp and Telegram groups guys. So that's it. So keep supporting me like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.